Here's how to identify the direction price is going to head for the upcoming trading session. Now you want to start off with a 4-hour time frame, and you want to ask yourself, is price action making lower lows and lower highs, or is it making higher highs and higher lows? So in this case, the Nasdaq or NQ is making lower lows and lower highs. That gives you your trend. Now for higher probability setups, if the 4-hour is bearish, mark the last 4-hour range high using a range box like so. Next, you're going to wait for price on the 4-hour to reach the external range highs, and you want to identify if the 4-hour candle that swept the 4-hour external range highs in a bearish market closed with a wick and back inside the range. That gives you your bias for the next trading session. As you can see here, price wicked above the 4-hour external range high and then closed right back inside the range. Finally, the entry. Now, if the 4-hour external range high in a bearish market was swept during New York session and the 15-minute gives you a bearish retrace candle closure, I identify this as a risk entry, and I'll either take this straight off the 15-minute close, or I'll refine down to a 5-minute and take it straight off the 5-minute candle. Take profit is at the 4-hour external range lows, and we can play this forward to see price plays out. Alternatively, you can wait for the 4-hour to sweep and wick, close back inside the 4-hour range, and instead of taking a risk entry, we can go down to a lower time frame and wait for a market structure shift followed by a confirmation entry inside New York trading session. So if we go down to the 1-minute time frame, we can see a market structure shift. At this point, price is then falling, creating lower lows and lower highs. It leaves a level of liquidity, and you get a 1-minute retrace candle, stops above a previous high, and take profits either at a previous session low, such as London lows, or again, if you're feeling dangerous, you can target the 4-hour external low, which, as we know, price reached. Follow for more.